write an equation in standard form. And we're looking at this one here. Y plus 2 equals 7 over 8 times the difference of x and 3. And if you remember, standard form is the form ax plus by is equal to c. And so we want to go ahead and rewrite our equation in standard form. Key idea is that you want the x term with the x variable on the left side of the equal sign, followed by the term with the y, and then have a constant on the right side of the equal sign. So let's try to do that here. We'll get y plus 2 is equal to, and we're distributing out the 7 over 8, so we get 7 over 8x minus 21 over 8. Alright, and to make this a little easier to calculate, we can get rid of our denominator of an 8 by multiplying both sides of the equal sign by 8. So let's do that now. We'll say 8 parentheses y plus 2 is equal to 8 parentheses 7 over 8x minus 21 over 8. So on the left side of the equal sign, we'll get 8y plus 16, because we're distributing out the 8. 8 times y plus 8 times 2. And so that's equal to, and over here, when we distribute out the 8 cancels out with the denominators. So what we're left with in the first distribution is 7x, and what we're left with in the second distribution is negative 21. And now we want to make sure we have our x term on the left side of the equal sign and our constant terms on the right side of the equal sign. So let's start by moving the 7x. So we get negative 7x plus 8y plus 16 is equal to negative 21. And we still need to move the 16, so let's subtract 16 from both sides. And we're left with negative 7x plus 8y is equal to negative 37. And so this is our answer, so I'm going to put a box around it. And we can go ahead and look at our next problem here. And we're going to run through the same process. We're going to start by distributing out the fraction. And we'll get y plus 2 is equal to 5 over 3x plus 30 over 3. The fraction can be reduced, so we get y plus 2 is equal to 5 over 3x plus 10. Now we can subtract the 2 from both sides of the equal sign, and we'll have y is equal to 5 over 3x plus 8. And we want the term with the x on the left side of the equal sign, so we'll subtract 5 over 3x from both sides, and we're left with negative 5 over 3x plus y is equal to 8. Now this fraction here can be reduced to negative 1 2/3 x plus y is equal to 8. And I'll put a box around that as well.